I want to start off with an introduction. My name is Matthew.
My name is Tal.
Mine is Renee.
My name is Rumo.
Nice.
So,
What do we do over here?
what don't we do, man?
Well,
That's the question.
right?
So we're known for our bash bars. Like worldwide, our bash bars are number one. Ramon just started with welding them, but we've been producing them for about 6 years now. And they're probably one of the most high quality ones that you can find. They're TIG welded, they're powder coated, they're laser cut now, which is amazing. And then another one of our super popular items would be our door cards. And we make two versions of them. We make a version 1, which is sheet metal. And that's this guy right here.
But it has
Yeah. And then we also make a version 2, which just came out as of what, 3 years maybe? They're made out of ABS plastic, and those ones are fucking sick. My bad, I'm sorry.
yeah, the fit up on those, like,
Yeah.
yeah. When you put them next to like the factory dash, the fit up is like perfect. And we actually even have like so many customers reaching out, like, dude, like, they're so happy we make this.
We need to make them for more applications. As of right now, we only make them for the S13 and S14, but we're open to what people suggest. Our
Yeah,
version
definitely.
2s, S15s.
Yeah. If you guys have suggestions, you're more than welcome to reach out for us in the comments. So we'll be glad to give an idea.
Another one that I personally love the most is our seat brackets. One of the coolest things about them is they're application specific, meaning nothing's universal. So, you know, it's not like some of these eBay products where they all look the same, they all fit different cars. When you buy our seat brackets, it was based off a 3D scan and it fits only that chassis. So it's the perfect fit. It allows the most adjustment range for whatever width seat you're using. And since we make everything in-house and we use 3D scans, if we have people come up to us with a special seat width, we'll be able to accommodate and make a custom bracket like on the spot. Because they are all application specific, meaning nothing's universal. You know, nothing's cookie cutter, everything is meant to fit, let's say, the S13, S14, or 32. It's all based off 3D scans, so everything fits perfect, and it has the most adjustability to be able to fit a wide variety of stuff.
Definitely. I actually, now that we upgrade to our full laser machine, all the cuts and everything comes out so clean when I finally bend it all up. Just fits perfect in the car. That way we could have these cool buttons that Tal's sitting in your cool car.
Fitting super solid.
Yeah.
Some cool features are they sit super low, they look amazing, the powder coat's top notch, cut quality is perfect. Adjustability is probably the best in the market. So one of the most common issues with seat brackets is you don't sit centered with the steering wheel, but since it's based off a 3D scan, I make sure that it's designed with the steering wheel in mind. So your seating position is perfect.
Sure it fits like a glove.
Exactly.
Actually, my favorite part about how the seat brackets also is it perfectly sends you to the steering wheel and the actual pedal, so that way you're not driving all offset or something.
Yeah.
You're just straightforward, direct, and then that one just click right to gear.
And they sit super duper low.
Yeah, they're like super low profile.
All right. And then so some other stuff that we're going to be covering on this channel is some of the behind the scenes. So if you follow us on Instagram, like we post daily, and it's everything how bash bars are made, welded, produced, seat brackets, door cards, anything that we make in-house is on our Instagram. So some other content that we're planning to bring to the channel is more so in the terms of lifestyle, what we do, what we eat, where we go, who we do it with. You know, I know Tal's super proud of that because she loves cooking. So maybe we can show you guys what we eat. And Renee, you know, we want to do more events. We used to go to Speed Zone pre-COVID, almost monthly.
Go-kart.
You haven't been, but
Dude, we can't wait to take that's gonna be a blast.
yeah.
We do.
And then we've got invitations to go out to drift events, and we want to take advantage of that. So I'm gonna get this car put back together, tuned, and then shake the cobwebs off. 'Cause I haven't driven.
Not to say that.
It's a little dust off of that bad boy. Alright now everybody, so now we're coming to our 6th year for Street Fashion. We're actually very glad to announce our new merchandise release actually. So we are planning to release hoodies, t-shirts, beanies, and anything else you guys definitely would like to see our name, our product, or even our workmanship into. If you guys have any requests whatsoever, drop it down below. We'll be glad to definitely make it, and actually you'll be glad to see us make it all in-house, get to see how we actually work the machines, and learn with us, of course.
All right, so let's talk about the fun stuff. Upcoming events and projects. What are we gonna be working on now?
Definitely.
Shop cars.
Yeah.
So you're allowing me to build whatever I want?
You gonna finish that one first, then yeah, you can build whatever you want.
This bad boy, it'd be fun to actually see this bad boy moving.
It's my first car. This is an S13 Vert, 1991. I got this car in 2008, drove it all through high school, college, learned absolutely everything on this car. It's gonna be finished up, it doesn't need much. We're gonna be taking it out to the track, doing some shakedowns and see if I know what I'm doing behind the wheel.
Nice. Did it look anything like this when you first purchased it?
No, I look like an ugly ass before.
So you're telling me just bone stock?
Bone stock.
Wow.
Yeah.
And from what I've heard, actually, you learned how to take weld because of this car, right?
Yeah, I learned how to fabricate because of this car. I didn't want to do it on a customer's car, so I decided I'd chop mine up and then rebuild it, which is what I did.
Nice.
And it's been a fun process. I learned how to build engines. This is actually a Ford internals K turbo. It just needs a little, button up on the tune, and we should be able to have some fun. And then after that, I know you have an S14 Koki that you can bring in.
Oh, that bad boy? I definitely gotta get that car on the road. So actually, if you guys want to watch us build it and getting back to reliable, that would be more than fun to watch. It does look pretty wicked right about now, but it's gotta drive as good as it looks. So let's just make that happen together.
Yeah, I've known you for over 10 years, and I think it's been parked in the same spot.
Yeah, it really is. It's like every other 240 nightmare. Jack stands is his best friend, and I don't want to have that happen to him. Let's shoot that together.
And then aside from that, Tal's got this S13 coupe up here. We actually have some old YouTube videos if you want to, learn where that car started from. But it started off as a parashell that we got for free. Check those out.
Okay,
Right here.
I need an S15.
Oh, you want to come join the 240K?
Most
Oh, yeah, dude. Pricing is the best right now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, right.
One other cool thing that I've been wanting to do personally ever since we started going to Speed Zone, which is a go-kart track local to us with this really cool drip course, is to be able to build our own in-house go-kart that I feel like we can include you guys as viewers on, because I plan to create the entire chassis, and we can probably sell it to you guys as a DIY weld kit, and you guys can learn on your own. Buy all the parts from your local store, put it together, have some fun with your friends. So hopefully we can kind of be involved and form this cool little community together.
Alright guys, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to enjoy the process.